So in the last lecture I have completed this previous exercise before 3.5 section. Now let's start with equation reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. Reducible. See, this is reducible to pair of linear in two variables. It is not directly a pair of linear equation in two variables, but it is reducible to. So first consider the example. So solve the pair of equations 2x 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. So minus 2. So this is that's code. So 2 by x plus 3 by y, that is 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y, 5 by x minus 4 by y equal to minus 2. So if you see here, this is by x and 1 by x and 1 by y. If you try to write it, suppose you thought that no, I will take LCM, so this will become 13xy. See, this is linear, but it is not linear. So this whole equation becomes not linear in x and y. It is not linear equation in x. And if you do same with this will also be give you same result. There is xy multiple. This is not a linear equation. This is not a linear equation. So what to do? See, you know that had the question been had the question been 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and 5x minus 4y equal to minus 2, you would have solved it easily. How? You see that yes, this is degree is 1, y x degree is 1, y degree is 1, x degree is 1, y degree, and there is no xy multiple term. So you can solve directly. But here there is 1 by x. So how you can do this? Yes, the way you do is this. Let take t, or you can say even uv, u equal to 1 by x and v equal to 1 by y. Now substituting the value of 1 by x and 1 by y in two equations. I'm assuming this is to be one equation, this is second equation. So what this equation will turn out to be? So this is 2 1 by x. 1 by x I'm taken as u. So this is 2u plus 3. 1 by y is uv. So this is 13. I will write it 3. Now 5 into 1 by x. 1 by x is u. So 5u minus this is 4. 4 and minus 2. Yes. So this is 4v equal to minus 2. 1 by y is v. So this minus 2 should become my fourth equation. Now if you see that this, you can use any method, even elimination, substitution, or graph, but the simple is, you already know the simple is, what is simple method? Any method which you think is simple is always a simple method. So what I'm doing this, I multiply this equation by 5 and this equation by 2. So if I do so, this is 10u plus 15v equal to 5 is 15, 65, 13 5 is 65. So 5 to the 10u minus 4 to the 8v equal to minus 4. Now I need to subtract these two equations. So subtracting these two equations, what I will get? If I subtract these two equations, this will become minus, this will become plus, this will become plus. So this term 10u minus 10u becomes 0. Then if you add this 15 plus 8, 23v equal to, this is addition, so this is 69. If you calculate the value of v, this is 69 by 23, which is nothing but 3. value of v is 3. Now value of v is 3. Now we put the value of v. I am substituting this value of v in equation number 3. So from here, original equation, this is question 3 without multiplication of 5. So 2u plus 3 into v, value of v is 3 equal to 13, which implies that 2u equal to plus 3 is 9 equal to 13, which implies that u equal to 13 minus 9 by 2. This is nothing but 4 by 2 is nothing but 2. So u and v, the value of u is 2, value of v is 3. But in the question it is asked, it is saying you need to find the value of x and y. So you have taken as 1 by x, which implies that 2 equal to 1 by x, which implies that x equal to 1 by 2. And from here, from v, you know that v equals 1 by y, which implies that what is the value of v? Value of v is 3 equal to 1 by y, which implies that y equal to 1 by 3. Y equal to 1 by 3. So a value of x is 1 by 2 and value of y is 1 by 3 is your answer. So in the initial question you have seen that the pair of equation which is given this seems to not be a linear equation, but you have converted this equation into linear equation by substituting the inverse of 1 by x and 1 by y. So what is the next question, next example? So they have also done this, they have also done I think the same thing. Yes, they have taken p and q, we have taken u and v, they have taken p and q, and so the value of p and is 2 and 3, so the value of x and y is 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Now what they are doing next is solve the following pair of equation by reducing them. This is given the way you have to reduce them into a pair of linear equation. So you don't need to apply your brain. The question says itself 5 by x plus 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2, 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, and 6 by x plus 6 by x minus 1 plus minus 3 by y minus 2, 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. Now you can see that there is 1 by x minus 1, there is 1 by x minus 1 here, and there is y minus 2 here, and there is y minus 2 here. So from this you need to take 1 by x minus 1. So let 1 by x minus 1 equal to u and 1 by y minus 1 equal to v. Since these both two are common and this is common, you cannot take 1 by x to be u, because but there is denominator, it is x minus 1. So you need to take 1 by x minus 1 as u and 1 by y minus 1 is v. So after substituting this value you get that 5. So the equation becomes, suppose I am taking this equation to be 1, the equation going to be 2. So equation will reduce to 5, that is 1 by x 1 is 5u plus v equal to 2, and this is 6u plus 3v, sorry minus, this is minus 6u minus 3v equal to 1 or minus 1? 1. Yes, 1. So now simple thing is that you can take this is minus 3, so you multiply this by 3 and add the two equation. So if you do so, the equations, this will become 15u plus 3v equal to 6, and this is 6u minus 3v equal to 1, and if you add this two, this will become same only, this will become same. So if you add this, this will become 0. If you add this is 15 plus 6, this is 21u equal to 7. So if you calculate the value of u, u from here is 7 by 21, which is nothing but 1 by 3. So the value of u is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. And if you substitute this value of u, I think in question number, yes, this will be easy. So if you substitute the value of u here, so what to get is that 5 into 1 by 3, that is u is 1 by 3 plus v equal to 2, which implies that v equal to 2 minus 5 by 3, nothing but 6 minus 5 by 3 equal to 1 by 3. So value of v is also 1 by 3. Now you don't know, the question doesn't know what is u and v. The question has said you need to find the value of x and y. So uh, u is, so you have taken as 1 by you have taken as 1 by x minus 1, which is you have calculated as 1 by 3, which implies x minus 1 equal to 3, which implies that x equal to 4. And what you have taken v equal to 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 by 3, which implies that y minus 2 equal to 3, which implies that y equal to 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. So the value of x and y comes out to be x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Now if you check this solution, they have also taken this, have taken p and q, that their option. You can take u, v, t1, t2, a, b, anything, and if you, and they have calculated that this is x equal to 4 and y equal to 5, the required solution. Now in example 19, it says that a boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Determine the speed of stream and that of boat and still water. So, what this says that you need to find the, so let speed of boat in still water be v kmph kilometer per hour and speed of stream be u kilometer per hour. I've taken u and v. You can even take x and y, but it is, my problem becomes easy. So what is it? A boat can go 30 km downstream. So downstream, you know that downstream is always supportive, down. Nothing moving down is supported by gravity. So here, instead of gravity, this is stream. This is, you can compare or relate to, so that you may not forget in your exam that what is upstream. If I have to add the speed of boat or stream with speed of stream, or you have to subtract speed of stream with speed of boat. So downstream says that it travels 30 kilometers in downstream. This implies that down means the speed will get added, speed of the stream will be added to speed of water. And 44 kilometer down, 30 kilometer upstream. So in upstream it will get subtracted. So upstream it gets subtracted because up means against the gravity. Gravity is here, you are moving here, so it is against the gravity. So this is this, and if you add with this the 40 kilometers, it goes 44 kilometers go downstream. This is v plus u. The total time taken is 10 hours. 10 hours. This is distance. You know that this is distance. This is speed, in nothing but it gives you time. It gives you time. So I'll write it separately. That is distance equal to speed into time. But from here, time equals distance upon speed. The basic formula. You must remember this. Now coming back to the question, and in 13 hours it can go 40 kilometer upstream. 40 kilometer this can go upstream. Upstream is always difference of stream, and 55 kilometer downstream. 55 kilometer. So in that it can go downstream in 13 hours. In 13 hours. So if you see this is again not a linear equation, but it can be reduced because you can see that their denominators are same in both of, and this also is same. So you can reduce this equation to pair of linear equation. How? So let 1 by v minus u equal to x and 1 by v plus u equal to y. So our equations becomes, what our equation becomes, that 30x plus, so this was 44y equal to 10 is our first equation, and so 40x plus 55y equal to 13, so you can, what, see, this is 30 as 40x. If you take the LCM of 30 and 40, what you will get, that if you divide by 10, this is 3 and 4. So if you, this is 3 and 3, this 4 4, this one 10, 4 3 12, and 120. 120 is the LCM. So for 120 LCM, and the coefficient of x is 30. To make it 120, you need to multiply this by equation, multiply this whole equation by 4, and for 40x to become 120, coefficient to 40 to become 120, you need to multiply it by equation 3. So if you add, if you do the calculation and subtract the two equation, what it become, that 120x plus 4 for the 16 is 176 y equal to 40, and 4 is 120x plus 5 is 15, 165y equal to 39. So if you subtract these two equations, this becomes minus, this becomes minus, this will also become minus. 120x minus 120x becomes 0, and 176y minus 165y is 5 plus 6, 11y equal to 40 minus 39 is 1, which implies that value of y is 1 by 11. And if you substitute this value of y, y is 1 by 11 in equation number this is 1, this is by 2, in equation number 1, so what it gives you, see, this is 30 into x plus 44 into y. Is, instead of y, I'm writing 1 by 11 equal to 10. So which implies that this 11 for the 44, this is 30x equal to 10 minus 4 is nothing but 6, which implies that x equal to 6 by 30, which is nothing but 1 by 5. So the value of x is 1 by 5 and y is 1 by 11. Now x and y you don't know. I have taken 1 by inverse of 1 by v minus u. So what is x? X is nothing but 1 by v minus u equal to 1 by 5, which implies that v minus u equal to 5. I will suppose this is my third equation. Taken this by third equation, and from 1 by y equal to 1 by 11, then y equal to 1 by v plus u equal to 1 by 11, which implies that v plus u equal to 11. So I will taking this equation as equation number 4. Now you need to calculate the value of v and u, original v and u. Now if you see the two equation, that is 1 minus u, sorry, let me write with this, right, 1 minus u equal to 5 by v plus u equal to 11, and if you directly add these two equation, what you get is that this becomes 0, and if you add this v plus v, this becomes 2v equal to 5 plus 11 is equal to 16, which implies the value of v is nothing but 16 by 2 is 8. The value of v is 8, and if you substitute the value of v as 8 in the here, so this is 8 plus u equal to 11, which implies that u equal to 11 minus 8 is nothing but v equal to 3. So so the value of boat in still water is 8 km per hour, and the speed of stream is 3 km per hour. Speed is of stream is 3 km per hour, and value and the speed of boat in still water is 8 km per hour. So if you 8 and 3, so if you see this, they have also done the same thing. They have taken T1, T2, U and V, and say they have calculated this much, and so at the last they get the answer that the value of boat in still water is 8 km per hour, and value of stream is Speed of stream is 3 km per hour. This is your answer. So in here there will be two questions. Okay, and there will be one optional question. This is will be bigger, so I will be covering in the next topic. So let me cover this equations. So I will not be covering the whole. I will just covering the shortcut ones. Shortcut ones mean the thing which you have not seen in your example. I will be covering those exercise questions only. So exercise question 3.6. See, this 1 by x, 1 by 2x, you have already done this. You have called 1 by x, so you have to take 1 by x as u and 1 by y equal to v, and if you solve this will be easier. Second, this type of question you must have not seen in your examples, so I will be taking this question number 2. So question number 1, part number 2 I will be taking. So what is it is given that 2 3 2 2 3 2, this is under root x under root y, and what is next is 4 minus 9 minus 1, 4 minus 9 minus 1, so under root x under root y. So here you can see that there is 1 by under root x, this and this is common, and here this and this is common, so you can easily infer that you need to take that let 1 by under root x equal to u and 1 by under root y equal to v. So if you substitute, so the equations will reduce to, how will get reduced to, this 2 by this is becomes 2u plus 3v equal to 2, and 4u minus 9v equal to minus 1. Now if you will see this u and in this u coefficient, you need to multiply the first equation. This is my, if I take this first equation, this is my second equation, you multiply first equation by 2, and if you multiply first equation by 2, this will become, so this is 4u plus 6v equal to 4, and this is 4u minus 9v to minus 1. Now if you subtract these two equations, minus, this minus become plus and this minus become plus, so this becomes 0, and this 6 plus 9 is 15v equal to 5, which implies that v equal to 5 by 15 is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So value of v is 1 by 3. Now this is value of v. Now we have to substitute the value of v to get the value. I'm substituting here. So if you substitute the value of v is that is 2u plus 3 into v is 1 by 3 equal to 2. So this 3 and 3 just cancel. This is 1. Now vu equal to 2 by 2, nothing but 1. So value of u is 1. Now we know then what is u and v. The question need not to take your u and v answer, but the question it is given x and y and not x and y, at under root x and under root y. So you know that you have taken u as 1 by root x, and it is nothing but 1, which implies that under root x equal to 1, which implies that x equal to 1 square, which is nothing but 1. So value of x is 1, and from v equal to 1 by 3, so v equal to 1 by 3 equal to 1 by under root y, which implies that under root y equal to 3, neither y equal to root 3 whole square, nothing but 9. So value of x is 1 and value of y is 9. Is your answer. Is your answer. Now what is your next question? Next part, I will doing only a simple question on not simple, tricky question which you have not doing in your classes. So this question, okay, this is also not that much tough, but still, see, this is 4 3 14, 4 3 14, and 3 minus 4 23, minus 4 23 23 x. So here you can see that v y is in numerator only, but x under root x is in denominator. Under root x or x? Sorry, x, not under root x. This is x. Sorry. But in question, you can be given under root also. Then nothing. The paper they might give you under root. So, but here it is x, so I will be giving you x only. So this is xx. So from here only you can see that this is my linear, written in linear, but it is not in linear. The x is not in linear form. So what you need to take it, you have to take 1 by x as u only, and not 1 by v, y equal to v or something else, x, y, z. Let 1 by x equal to, so the equation will reduce to 4u plus 3y equal to 14, and 3u minus 4y equal to 23. Now if you see this, 4, 3, 4 is a combination of certain things. So if I take this equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and what I do is I will play with this equation, that is 4 into 3, so this will be the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12, so 4 into 3 is 12 and 3 into 4 is also 12. Multiply this by 4 and I will write and then subtract the two equation. So what is this become? So this becomes like 4 3 is 12 u plus 9y, 4 3 is 12 u plus 3 is 9y equal to 14 to 42, and 4 3 is 12 u minus 16y equal to 3 4 3 is 12 92. Now if you need to subtract these two equations. So if you subtract these two equations, this becomes minus, this is minus, this is minus, this becomes plus, this will become minus. So this whole becomes 0, and from here you infer that, sorry, this is estimated only. So you have this, when 9 plus 16 is 25y equal to, this is minus 50. So if you calculate this, is y equal to minus 50 by 25, which is nothing but minus 2. So value of y is nothing but minus 2. Now value of y is minus 2. Now I am substituting this value of y in here, equation number 1. So what to get is that what to get is, that is 4 into u plus 3 into minus 2. So y, I am substituting value of y as minus 2 equal to 14. So 4u minus 6 equal to 14, which implies that 4u equal to 20. So 16 plus 4 is 20, which implies that u equal to 20 by 4, that is nothing but 5. But you know that u is the value of u, the examiner does not know what is the value of u. He will give you marks, but in the end you need to calculate the value of x and y. Y you have calculated what is x, you have taken u as 1 by x, which you get the answer from here that it is 5, which implies that x equal to 1 by 5. So what is the solution? That x equal to 1 by 5 and y equal to 1 minus 2 is the solution of the equation. This is easy. Now here this is also same. This you have to take x minus 1 equal to 1 by x minus 1 equal to u, and 1 by y minus 2 equal to v, because this is denominator of this is common. Both the equation is common. So if you do this calculation, you will definitely get the desired answer. Definitely get the desired answer. But the next question is, see, fifth question. I will be doing fifth question. It is not tricky, but you need to understand how can they give the question. This is the fifth question. What it says that 7x minus 2y equal to 5, 7x minus 2y equal to 5, and wait a second, this much thing is running, that's why it's taking battery. So this is, and so 2y equal to 5 by x minus y, by x y 5, and what it is, another equation is given to be 8x 8 7 15, 8 7 15 by x y. Now if you see this, and if you by mistake if you take carry this to here and this to here, you will see that xy will always be remain in the question, but this is not desired. So what you need to do, is you divide this by x and y. So if you just open this, you don't have to do nothing, so just open this. This is 7x by xy minus 2 by 2y by xy equal to 5. So if you see that here this x and x here get cancelled, and here y and y gets cancelled. Similarly, if you do the same here that is 7x by x, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. And if you see that here x and x get cancelled and y gets cancelled. So what it becomes is that here this becomes 7 by y minus 2 by x equal to 5, and here it is 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15. Even if you see that this 8 plus 7 is 15 and 7 minus 2 is 5, but still you need to calculate the whole answer, because exam will not give you marks by your thinking skill. It's only in MCQ that you need to apply your thinking skill. So see, there is denominator, sorry, different one. So this y and this y common, x and x is common. So from here you must have got the idea. You have to take let 1 by y equal to v and 1 by x equal to u. So our equations get reduced to, so this equation, if you substitute the value of 1 by x as v and 1 by x, 1 by y as v and 1 by x as u, so this equation will become 1, the 7v minus 2u equal to 5. That is our first equation, and the second equation will become 8v plus 7u equal to 15. 7u is equal to 15. So this, so hello. Like, yeah. So this will become this is, so this you can write a 7u minus 2v equal to 5 and 8v plus 7u equal to 15. Now you, from here you can see that you need to what is this 2 and 7, if you take this LC, so if you take their LCM, this is 14, so you need to multiply the first equation by 7 and you multiply the second equation by 2. So if you do this, what you get is the equation will be some 49v minus 7 to the 14u equal to some 35, and this is 8 to 16v plus 14u equal to 30. And if you add these two equations, this is nothing but this is, so this becomes 0, as this 14u and minus 14u get cancelled, and if you add this is addition everywhere, so this addition, this will be 4 5 60, so 65v equal to 65, which implies that v equal to 1, and you substitute the v equal to 1 here, what you get is from here what you get is that is 7 into 1 minus 2u equal to 5, which implies that 2u equal to 7 minus 5 equal to 2, which implies that u equal to 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. So the value of u is 1 and value of y is also 1, but you have taken v equal to 1 by y equal to 1, which implies that y equal to 1, and from you have taken 1 by u equal 1 by x equal to 1, which implies that x equal to 1. So its value of x and y is 1. This is your answer. This will have This will solve it. See, in the sixth question, I will not be doing sixth because this is the same as this, because you have to take this xy in denominator, but in the we then become, you need to then expand this to just become 6x by xy, so 6 by y plus 3 by x equal to 6. And same here, this becomes 2 by y plus 4 by x equal to 5. And if you now need to take 1 by x as u and 1 by y equal to v and solve further, you will get the answer. Now next, which question? This I've also done, the x plus y. Oh yes, this type of question I have not done. So I will taking the seventh question. This type of question you have not done, so I'm taking you seventh question. What the seventh question says, that seventh part. First question, seventh part. Seventh part. It says that 10 by x plus y, though you can see that plus 2 by x minus 1, x minus y equal to 4. This is the first equation. I'm taking this first equation. The second is 15 minus 5 minus 2. 15 minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 equal to minus 2. 2 by this is x plus y, this is x minus y. I am taking this to be my second equation. Now if you see this denominator portion, x plus y and x plus y, this is in denominator and this is common, and here this is x minus y and x minus, this is also in denominator and this is common. So you might have get the idea that you take let 1 by x plus y equal to u and 1 by x minus y equal to v. It is not every time that you have to take 1 by x and 1 by x minus 1 only. You can even combination of x and y you can also take as u and v. This is type of question will open your mind about this type of thing. So 10 by x plus y, what is 10 by x plus y? It will become reduced to 10 u plus 2v equal to 4, and the next equation you will be reducing, this equation will become 15 u minus 5v equal to minus 2. Now if you see this, you need not to do anything. So this is 5, this is 2. If you take the LCM, this is 10. So if you first multiply, equation number 1 is multiplied by 5 and equation number 2 is multiplied by 2. Now if you multiply these both equation by their respective coefficients, so this will become 50 u, so 50 u plus 10v equal to 20, and next is 30 u minus 10v equal to minus 4. Now if you, so this is, I am doing addition, so this is your addition, this sign will remain same. This is 10v minus 10v becomes 0. This is 50 plus 30 is 80 u equal to 16, which implies that u equal to 16 by 80, which is nothing but 16 5s are 80. So this is u equal to 1 by 5. U equal to 1 by 5. Now you need to substitute this value of u. I am substituting the value of u here. So what is this will become? So this become 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2v equal to 4. So this 5 to the 10 is 2. So this is 2v equal to 4 minus 2, which implies that v equal to 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So value of v is 1. So u is 5, 1 by 5, and v is 1. But in the question, you need to find the value of x and y. So what I have taken that 1 by this is, so u is 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5 as per this. So if you solve this, this become x plus y equal to 5. X plus y equal to 5, and value of v was 1. So if in the equation I have taken v as 1 by x minus y, x minus y equal to 1, which implies that x minus y is nothing but 1. X minus y is nothing but 1. So this is my, I take this to be my third equation, and I will take this to be my fourth equation. Now this becomes a linear equation. So if you directly, if you see directly this equation is nothing but simple addition. If you simply add 2, that is x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1, and if you simply add the 2, this will become 2x equal to 6, which implies that x equal to 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. This 3. If you substitute the value of x here, this becomes uh, x equal to 3 minus y equal to 1, which implies that y equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So the value of y is 2. So the value of x is 3 and value of y is 2, which is the answer. Is the answer. Now here this is I've done same thing. You can see that this is 3x plus y, 3x plus y is common, the 3x minus 1, 3x minus is common, so which means that you have to take 1 by 3x plus y is u and 1 by 3x minus y as v, and if you put this value here, you will get the value of u and v, and finally if you solve the value of you get u of v. You find the equation in linear in x and y, and if you further solve this, you will get the value of x and y, and which is your answer. Now this next question is question number 2, which has 3 parts. So this first one is Ritu can row downstream. So I'm taking down. You always remember that you are throwing a ball down. You're just leaving the ball, it will fall with its gravity and the speed with which you are throwing down. So it means this is addition. So it is going downstream at 20 km in 2 hours and upstream in 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing still water and speed of the current. So instead of boat, he is giving Ritu itself. So this is question number 2, part number 1. So what is, let the speed of rowing for Ritu or Ritu speed of rowing be x, always write the unit, kilometer per hour, and speed of current be y kilometer per hour. So according to conditions given in the question, so what the equations will be, so this is can row downstream in 2 hours, 20 kilometers in 2 hours, so 20 kilometers. So this is distance upon speed. What will be the speed in downstream? Going downstream, the speed will get added, x plus y equal to, in 2 hours, this is 2, distance upon speed is time, this will become 2. So if you solve this, if you write this, this is becomes, if you 2 at 2, 2 at 20, it implied as x plus y nothing but 10. X plus y nothing but 10. This I will take my first equation. Now what is second equation? Says that it can go upstream 4 km in 2 hours. So if 4 km in 2 hours is the speed of this and this, so here it will get minus the speed of Ritu, rowing of Ritu speed is x, and it will be get subtracted by current y. So total distance will be 4 kilometers and total speed will become x minus 5, which she covers in 2 hours. So this 2 1 are 2, 2 2 is 4, which implies that the final equations, so the final equation will become x minus y equal to 2. This is my second equation. Now if you see this, this is my direct equation, and if you directly add the two equations, so if you directly add the two equations, what you get is, if you directly add this, so this becomes x minus, this becomes 0, so this becomes 2x equal to, directly adding, to 10 plus 2 is 2, 2x equal to 12, and the x equal to 12 by 2 is nothing but 6. So value of x is 6, and if you substitute the value of x in equation number 1, what you get is that is x, in place of x you are substituting 6, so 6 plus y equal to 10, which implies that y equal to 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4, which implies that the speed of Ritu rowing, Ritu's rowing is 6 km per hour and the speed of current is 4 km per hour, which is your answer. Now second part is 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by the woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So alone, you need to find alone how much they can do the work. So question, so this is second part. So let the piece of work done alone by man be in x days, and let the piece of work done alone by woman in y days. So as per conditions given in the question. So what are the conditions in the question? So this has 2 men and 5 women. That is 2 men. So first of all, I will teach you the basic. That is, see, one man, see, x days is, one man needs x days to complete the work. So 2 men will need how many days to complete the work? Or you can write this, that x days required to complete one work. So one day the work will be complete, one work will be completed. So in one day 1 by x work will be completed. So if m men are there to complete the work, so it will be m by x work gets completed, and this is our base for the calculation. So what is the question? Says that 2 men and 5 men, 2 women and 5. So 2 women, so 2 by y, and how many men? 5 men. So 5 by x, it is 2 by y and 5 by x, equal to how many days it gets completed in 4 days. So 1 by 4th work is done in 1 day. So in 1 day, so the amount of work done in 1 day is 2 by y by woman and 5 by x by men, and total in 1 day 1 by 4th of work is completed, because in 4 days total work is completed. So this is my first equation. Now what the second equation says, that is if while 3 women 6 men, so 3 women and 6 men can do the same work in 3 days. So 1 by 3 days it gets completed. So this is my second equation. Now if you see this, there is 1 by x in the denominator, in this denominator in both the equations, and y in denominator and x in x denominator is this whole equation. So by now you must have understood that what you need to take. So taking 1 by y as v and 1 by x as u, so the equation get reduced to linear equations given below. What will become? This is 5v 2v plus 5u. So 2v plus 5u equal to 1 by 4, and other equation was 3v 6u 1 by 3. So 3v 6u equal to 1 by 3. Now this, if you have, if you see these equations, if you multiply, if you see the coefficient of v, it is once in one equation just 2, this is 3. If you take the LCM, this is 2, 3, this is 6 is the LCM. So you need to first multiply this equation by 3 and the next equation by, I'm taking this equation number 1, this is this is 3 equation, this is third and fourth equation, multiply this by 2, and if you rewrite the 2 equation, so which is you write the 2 equation, so this will become, so this will become 3 to 6v plus 5 say 15u equal to 3 by 4, and there is 6v plus 12u equal to 2 by 3. Now if you subtract this 2 equation from this subtraction, this will become minus, this will become minus, this will also become minus. So this v and 6v get cancelled, becomes 0. 12 versus 15u minus 12u is 3u equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3, which is nothing but if you take the LCM, this is 4 to 12 and 3 is 9, minus 4 to the 8, this is 1 by 12. And if you really want to calculate this, so this will become u equal to 12 3 36, so 1 by 36, u equal to 1 by 36, this is 36. So if you now substitute the value of u in original equation, that is 2v, that is if you substitute the value here, so this become 2 into, sorry 2, this is v only, so this is 2v plus 5 1 by 36 u equal to 1 by 4. Is this 5 or 3? 5 equal to 1 by 4. Now if you take this, so this is 2v equal to 1 by 4 minus 5 by 36, and if you take, see this, the LCM of this will be 36, so 2v equal to 36 is the LCM, 4 9 36, 9 minus 5, so this becomes 2v equal to 4 by 36, which is nothing but 36. So this becomes, which imply that v equal to this 2 and this 4 get cancelled, this 1 2, so this is 2 by 36, so v equal to 1 by 18, so v equal to 1 by 18. Now what you have taken is that u is x, 1 by x, so u equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by 36, which implies that x equal to 36, and v equal to y, this is 1 by y equal to 1 by 18, which implies y equal to 18. So what you have taken u and x and y, that is x is number of days taken by man to complete the work, and y, so the man will be able to complete the work in 36 days, the women alone, and women will take able to complete the work in 18 days alone. So now the second question, third part, what to say that Ruhi travels 300 km to home, partly by train, partly by bus, takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of train and the bus separately. So this is saying you need to calculate it separately. So this 6 minutes, so third part, so this third part, so let the speed of bus be x kilometer per hour and speed of train be y kilometer per hour, so as per conditions given in the question, the equation will be, so what are the equations? So Equation will be, so 300 partly by train bus will take 4 hours if she travels 60 km train. So traveling 60 km by train, so time will taken will be 60 km by the speed of train is y. And other, it is saying the remaining. So what is the total remaining? Is 300 minus 660 will be by bus, which is the speed of bus is x kilometer per hour. The total time it will take is taken by her is 4 hours. So speed by distance by speed is time. So this is by speed by time is added. But if you calculate, this is 60 by y plus 300 minus 60 is 240 by x equal to 4. And if you directly cancel this, so this becomes 4 1 the 4, 4 6 24 60, and 4 2 the 8. Sorry, 4 1 the 4, and 24 by 20. So this, the equations will become, the equation will become 15. So this becomes 15 by y plus 60 by x equal to 1. This is my first equation. Now how will we, I will to calculate the second equation. Second equation, by if she travel 100 km by train. So if she travel 100 km by, so the speed will be 100 by y, and the distance, remaining distance by bus is, so this by bus, the speed of bus is x, and the remaining distance by this, and she takes 10 minutes longer. So 10 minutes longer. How? So the earlier she was taking 4 hours. So this time is 4 plus 10 minutes. 10 minutes need to be write in hours. So the hours is 10 by 60. 10 by 60. This will be the my hours. So if you solve, if you solve this, so this becomes 100 by y plus this has become 200 by x, nothing but, if you see this one, 1 by 6 over 24, this one 25 by 6. Now if you see that this, if you cancel this, so this 25 on the 25, 25, this is 25 4 the 100, and 25 8 is at 200. So this is nothing, the equation will be nothing but this equation reduced to 4 by y plus 8 by x equal to 1 by 6, equal to 1 by 6. This will be my second equation. Now if you see this y, 1 by y, 1 by this is common here, and this is here is 1 by x, and this is also 1 by x. So by the time you, I'm circling this, you must have get the idea what you need to do. So let 1 by y equal to v and 1 by x equal to u. So from here what you did, that is 15 v plus 60 u equal to 1, and and this is 4 v plus 8 u equal to 1 by 6, equal to 1 by 6. So how do you need to calculate this? So from here you can see that this, if you multiply this first equation by 4 and this equation by 15, so what you get is, this become, the equation will become 15 for the 60v plus 6 for 240 u equal to 4, and from second is 15 to 460v plus 15 8 5 40 5 15 8 is a 90, no 90 not 120, 45 8 90 not 120 u equal to 15 by 6. 15 by 6 is nothing but 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15, so this is 2.5. So if you subtract these two equation, subtract this two equation, this v, so this becomes, this 60v minus 60v get cancelled, this is minus, this is also minus, so 240 minus 120 is 120 u equal to 4 minus 2.5 is 1.5. So if you calculate this, this will yield, this is 15 by, I'm writing 1.5 separately, so this into this. So if you calculate, this is 3 5 is 15, or this 3 4 is 12, 400, 5 8 is 40, 1 by 80. So u equal to 1 by 80 is your value of u, and you need to find the value of v. So I'm substituting the value of u from here in this equation. So in this equation, this, no, not this equation, this, I'm assuming this blue, this is by blue, I'm equation this 8v. So 4v plus 8 by 1 by 8t equal to 1 by 6, and if you cancel this becomes 8 1 the 8, 8 times the 8t. So this 4v equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 10, which is nothing but 10 minus 6 by 60. 10 minus 6 by 60. So what this will become is 4v, which implies that 4v equal to 10 minus 6 is 4 by 60, and from here you can see that 4 and 4 gets cancelled, which implies that v equal to 1 by 60. v equal to 1 by 60. Now you know you have taken x equal to 1 by u, which implies this is 80. So x is 80 km per hour, and y is nothing but 1 by v, which is nothing 60 km per hour. You have taken that the speed of bus is, you can see that this is another paradox, that the speed of bus is 80 km per hour and speed of train is 60 km per hour, which is your answer. So thank you for watching this.